and trading with multiple crores of capital.
Concept you don't even know like what is ICT,
I
right?
just asked you first question was
Yeah,
ICT.
what is ICT?
If you're taking a trade and you cannot sleep, change your profession. And there I learned about support and resistance.
You are doing trading as well as you are having many shops now. Like how hard is to manage your shop?
Every day, every single day, every hour, every 2 hours,
You don't need to reveal your secrets, you just
every business will have their own set of material requirements. The main struggle was
அண்ட் இன்னொன்று இந்த பாட்காஸ்ட் வந்து இங்கிலீஷில் தான் இருக்கும், தமிழில் இருக்காது, ஏன்னா அவருக்கு வந்து தமிழ் தெரியாது. ஸோ லெட்ஸ் கெட் ஸ்டார்டட். யா ஹாய் ப்ரோ.
Hi Rishi
யா
bro.
ஜஸ்ட் இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் யுவர் செல்ஃப்.
Hi, I'm Girish Dilip Sadhwani. I'm from Nasik, Maharashtra. I've been trading since 4 years and trading with multiple crores of capital.
So I'll just introduce like how we actually met now. So I was in Kashmir, like hostel, and I was taking session, and I was just coming into the like common room, and I was teaching like usually I'll teach ICT concept, but by that time I was teaching like double top and double bottom.
Right.
And then like you just noticed, right? You just noticed, and then when we were like having lunch, and then you asked like, are you a trader? And then you said like, yeah, I'm a trader. And they told like, I'm also a trader. So that is how exactly we met, right?
Right.
So then we started discussing, and I was actually shocked that you are actually trading with only support and resistance. Like you're not using much topics like exotic topics like ICT concepts or SMC. So you're not using these concepts. You don't even know like what is ICT,
Right.
right?
I just asked you first question was ICT.
Yeah, what is ICT? That's the actual impression I had on you. Like how he is not knowing ICT. So then I asked like how you're actually trading, and then you told like that you're doing only option selling using trading using only support and resistance.
Right.
Exactly, right?
Right.
So then that actually excited me. Then I asked you like, can we do a podcast? So I was like, I'm actually having the camera. Why I bought my camera there is like to record Instagram reels.
Oh.
So that's why I actually bought my camera and I have my mic. So why can't we do a podcast with you? By that day you are about to leave, right?
Right. 2 hours before we have started our
Yeah,
podcast.
exactly.
Like,
Yeah. So just tell me like how was the experience when we met in Kashmir?
like it was so instant, bro.
Yeah.
And you asking me was like a surprise to me.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
didn't know that I was going to go to Shikara with my friends.
Exactly.
And you asked me, and I was thinking, should I go or should I go not? Never came in front of camera.
Yeah,
The first
exactly.
time I'm
Yeah,
coming. I am not on social
yeah,
media.
you're not on social media. That is the most important part. Like you're not on social media. You're actually out of the noises.
Right.
And also like my journey to Kashmir is quite shocking, and your journey is also quite shocking. Just tell me like how you actually came to Kashmir.
So at 4 p.m. I was at my home
Ah,
and just decided to go somewhere.
okay,
Okay, and I packed my bag in
Okay.
15 minutes and left my home.
okay,
I told my mother I don't know where I'm going.
okay,
Same to my papa.
okay,
I reached the station. Whichever first train was going to come, I was going to take that.
okay,
And that train took me to Delhi.
okay,
But I was not so comfortable in Delhi, so
Okay.
I went to airport,
okay.
opened cash scanner.
Huh.
Whichever first flight I was able to book, I booked that, and that was to Srinagar.
All right, fine. So like let's talk about trading. Okay, just tell me like how you actually started trading, and before that, like just tell me your qualification, what you studied.
I am a chartered accountant.
Yeah.
Well, after 12th, I didn't know what to do.
Okay.
So my father told me that you should go with CA. It's a respectable qualification and it's nice.
Okay.
So I was cool with it. Let's do it. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
While doing articleship, I was more focused doing job about where will I do jobs. I was searching in London, Dubai.
Okay.
I was just checking the salaries, everything.
Okay.
But till the end of CA, some thought came up and I was like, let's do something of my own.
Okay.
But I didn't know what I will do.
Ah.
So yeah, I started searching, like what can I do of my own.
Okay.
I didn't have much of my capital. The capital which I used for trading is also like a story.
Yeah.
My father had gave me fees for tuition.
Okay.
For CA
For
finals.
CA finals,
Yeah.
okay.
But I didn't take the classes
Okay.
and I studied on my own.
Okay.
Okay. So that fees was saved.
Ah.
And I had made FD of that.
And how much returns you're getting?
that time 8-9%.
8-9%.
10
FD.
years ago, right?
Okay,
So
okay.
we had that returns. So I was fascinated with that also. Like I am getting returns,
Okay.
just FD and all. So I didn't break the FD. I didn't do classes.
Okay.
By God's grace, I cleared CA.
Ah.
And then I started searching what can I do, what can I do. I
Okay.
started a t-shirt business also.
Okay.
Means
You like implemented or just an idea?
we went to the vendor also.
Okay.
I registered on Amazon also, but we didn't hit it. Like I was doing with my friend,
Okay, okay.
and it didn't hit. Like we
Okay.
didn't post much. We
Okay.
never started selling.
All right.
Never sold a piece. Then while searching on internet, I saw Mitesh Patel on Twitter. He said that we can earn a living through option selling.
Okay.
And that fascinated me. So I was like, okay, let's see what is this.
Okay.
I didn't start instantly.
Okay.
After 1-2 months, I again went to his account and
Okay.
searched what he is doing, what he was saying.
Okay.
And he said like, if you have a decent capital, you will earn around 4% a month.
Okay.
That was his statement.
Okay.
that
Okay.
time.
Okay.
Okay. So I calculated, I had 1 lakh rupees
lakh
in my FD, okay?
Okay.
And 4,000. I was quite satisfied with that also. Like, I will earn 4,000, I'm okay with that.
Like how you're satisfied with just 4,000?
I just wanted to do something of my own, bro.
Okay.
Nothing else, nothing else. So, yeah, I just started.
Okay. You just started with
I-
option selling, and
option
in which
selling
segment you started?
In index only, bro.
Index Nifty 50? Like
Bank Nifty, Nifty. There were 2 indices only that time.
okay.
Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty.
You haven't tried stock options?
Never.
Okay, fine.
Never.
All right.
Only option selling in index.
Okay, fine.
Because stock options are monthly. So
yeah,
I won't get income weekly basis.
Okay,
na?
okay, okay.
So I had to do in index only. And I broke my FD.
Okay.
I
Invested the
deposited
one-
in my Demat account.
Okay, what you told to your dad about that 1 lakh?
He didn't have any idea for that.
Okay.
Because he just gave me for fees and he's like, cool, Will.
Okay.
He just forgot and
All
told
right.
me, do whatever you want to do with
All
that.
right.
And I started trading. For first time, I made a profit of around 50-60 rupees.
Okay.
I was quite happy, bro. Like first green.
You
Okay.
started in index, like Bank Nifty,
Index.
Nifty.
Nifty I started with.
Okay, fine.
I started with Nifty. I sold a put.
Okay.
Okay. And I
And the
made
strategy that you used?
no strategy, bro. I was seeing the market was going up. I had seen the post of Mitesh Patel. Okay,
Okay.
like if the market is going up, you have to sell put,
Okay.
and when the market is going down, you have to sell call.
Okay.
I didn't have any idea about support, resistance, nothing.
Okay.
At that time, no price action, nothing.
All right.
Market was going up. I sold put,
Okay.
and a profit was 60 rupees.
Okay.
I booked it. I slept very happily that day.
Okay.
That profit is booked and all.
Okay.
Next day, again I took a trade and the MTM, market to market fluctuations were there.
Okay. When it comes to option selling, like the fluctuations will give you profit, right?
My P&L was fluctuating, plus
Oh,
minus.
Okay, fine.
So then I was like, okay, it's not always green.
Okay.
I had never studied that there are losses or something like that. So that day I closed my trade in loss, I feel.
How much you
around
booked?
130, 140 rupees.
Okay.
I traded with one lot.
Okay, okay.
I had
fine.
1 lakh only that time. So I booked it. Then I went to Mitesh Patel's tweets.
Okay.
Okay, I studied many of his tweets, like
Okay.
how he does.
Okay.
And there I learned about support and resistance.
Okay.
Okay. And he was regularly referring to price action.
Okay.
But he didn't have any particular post regarding price action.
Okay.
So I searched on YouTube.
Okay.
Market Gurukul, there is a channel.
Market Gurukul.
Market Gurukul.
Gurukul.
Yeah.
Okay.
By that time he didn't have any new post.
Okay.
But he had made a series of price action.
Okay.
Okay, I saw that series 4 to 5 times.
45 times.
I wrote what is Maribuzo. Okay.
Okay.
I didn't know red is bearish,
Bearish candle.
green is like bullish candle.
Okay.
So that's how I started, and I wrote everything. The
Okay.
bearish, Maribuzo, Doji, what is all that?
All right.
Okay. And then I started seeing support and resistance.
Okay.
He had the video of support and
Support,
resistance
oh.
too. So it's basically very simple.
Yeah,
You've been
yeah,
knowing that.
yeah.
Some rules are there.
Yeah.
Support turns to resistance,
Resistance
resistance to
and-
support.
Okay.
This you will learn by practice only.
Yeah, only
bro.
practice. Like
Only
even
practice.
like when I teach now, like you can actually combine both ICT concepts as well as retail concepts. You can actually make a pattern out of it.
Right.
But the thing is, like, you have to experience to gain knowledge. Like, theory parts are like just 10%. Like, you will just get a outline of like what it is. Then
Right.
if you
Right.
want to get into depth, you have to apply it in charts. You will get the results, and you have to, like, whether it's negative, you have to write it down, journal it, and you have to rectify your mistakes. Then you have to reapply it. This is how you can actually learn trading.
That's very true, bro. Very
Okay, so
true.
like how you actually learned. The thing is, like, you started applying it in charts.
Right.
Okay, so like after applying it in charts, like what was the result?
The result was very good.
The result was very
Very
good.
good. Very good.
Initially.
Initially, yeah. Bro.
Okay.
By God's grace, I never blow any account. Never blew any account. Bro.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah, because what I had seen was we have to earn only 4% a month.
Yeah.
Okay, my capital was 1 lakh.
Yeah.
So 4,000 was my target only.
Exactly,
Not much.
Exactly.
So one day, like fourth or fifth day,
Okay.
I had sold a call.
Okay.
Okay, and that only gave me 1,000 rupees.
Oh, okay.
One lot.
One lot.
One lot. Okay.
Okay.
And that time I didn't know how much far I have to be in from the market.
Okay.
Like out of the money options.
Okay.
In the money options, I used to trade 100, 200 points away options.
Okay. You
Okay.
always choose out the money.
Out of the money.
Always.
Always.
Okay.
Always. That's what I saw in Mitish Patel's search.
Okay.
So what I learned.
Yeah, like if you're choosing out the money, like DK will be more.
Right.
So
right,
that
right.
is your plus point. So you
Yeah.
can make more
I
profit.
never knew about DK also that time.
You don't know option Greeks.
That time I didn't know.
Oh.
Now also I don't know about
Okay.
option. I just know DK is
DK,
there.
okay.
DK is there.
Okay.
I don't know something Vega is there. I
Like
never
whether
studied that.
You have to like you can even calculate like how much DK is today by looking at the
Okay.
option Greeks, and then you have to do the math and all. Like I don't know, but there is a way to calculate DK.
Okay.
Yeah, just tell me.
Yeah. So that gave me 1,000 rupees profit, and I
Okay.
was like, okay, even if I get 1 day of profit and four weeks we have, it is 4,000 rupees. So chill. We don't have to take any load of like something
Okay.
like that. And the first month was green.
Okay.
Okay. I had made on 6,000-7,000 rupees.
6 to 7%.
6 to 7%.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Because see, when you have one lot now, you won't get affected by 300 rupees negative, 200 rupees negative. Okay. And that time, risk management was not in my mind.
Like how you actually manage risk? Like you're telling that you don't know about risk management by that time.
Right.
So like for example, let's say if you're in a trade, obviously not every day you'll get into green.
Right.
Sometimes you'll get to your P&L will be negative, right?
Right.
So in that case, how you'll actually manage the negative P&L? Will you book the loss or will you hold it?
I used to hold it.
Hold it.
Like, due to one lot, my maximum loss I saw was 300, 400 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. And I had booked 1,000 rupees profit.
Okay.
So that time I was calculating like 600 rupees still I'm net profit.
Okay.
I won't book.
Okay.
Okay. And due to DK, it was getting lesser and lesser. Even if I'm wrong, I didn't know that concept that
Okay.
time, but even if I'm wrong, I was getting less and less negative MTM from 300. Like we have expiry on Thursday that time. Okay.
Exactly.
So Tuesday it was 300 negative.
Okay.
I didn't book it.
Oh, you just hold it for the next day.
Yeah, I hold it for next day.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I was not aware about overnight gaps, gap up, gap downs.
Okay.
I just hold it for next day. And surprisingly, it opened positive.
Positive. Okay.
Even going against me.
Okay.
Like I had a call, okay, right?
Okay.
And it opened a gap up.
Okay.
Still, it was positive for me.
Oh.
So I was like, okay, bro, let's hold it, and I hold it till Thursday.
Okay, fine.
And-
Your P&L is in negative.
Right.
Okay. Did it affected you mentally? Like I'm in loss, my capital is in loss.
This happened afterwards. Like when I was trading with 1 lakh, I was okay because minus 300 was okay for me.
Okay.
Not a big
Not a big
issue.
deal, okay.
Yeah. And I had 1,000 rupees profit in my mind.
Okay.
So 600, I was positive.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, I can hold it.
Okay. That's actually a big mental game.
Yeah.
Because for example, let's say when I started now, even sometimes I feel now also like I'll feel the mental game. Like let's say I'm overall up 1,000 rupees. Okay, and the next day if I'm losing 300 rupees, like it will affect me mentally. Okay, I'm just losing 300 again. Like initially I was 1,000 rupees up. So that didn't affect you in any way.
No,
Like
it was
you're just focusing on the overall net P&L.
overall net P&L for the
Okay.
week.
Okay.
That week. Yeah, that's what
Yeah, like how you started.
Yeah, that's how I
Okay.
started.
After that, like how you started like improving, how you started improving yourself.
Okay, so next month was not so green for me.
Okay.
Okay, first day I booked a loss of 1500.
Okay.
Second day I booked a loss of 1000 rupees. I was
Okay.
like, okay, let's stop.
Oh, you stopped.
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
stop and let's see what wrong I'm doing. Like,
Okay.
what is happening? I was 6,000 rupees, 6,500 rupees positive.
Okay.
I lost around 3,000 rupees,
Okay.
including charges and everything.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, 3,000 rupees I have, but still, why? What happened? Let me see. And
Okay.
I read again, went to Market Gurukul,
Okay.
again saw those
Whole
price action
videos.
whole
Okay.
videos
Okay.
again, like 2-3 times again,
Okay.
same day.
Hmm.
Okay, and I checked with my charts where I was taking my entry,
Okay.
where I was taking my exit.
Okay.
Okay, exit was not so properly planned, but still
Okay.
I was taking some exits.
Okay.
In the second month, I took exits on wrong areas.
Okay.
I took exactly resistances
Oh.
where I shouldn't have taken the
Okay.
exit.
Okay.
Okay, so I came to know that support resistance plays a very big role
Role.
in trading.
Okay.
Okay, I started to mark horizontal lines.
Okay.
By first month, I wasn't marking any lines. I
Oh.
was just taking trades.
You're just taking random trades.
Yeah, random trades
Like
means
if the market is going to move on the downside, like you'll sell put, sorry,
not
sell
going
call.
to move. It is going down, I will sell call.
Yeah, like if it is going down, you'll sell call. If it is
Right.
going up, you'll sell put.
Right.
That's
right.
it. No
That's
marking lines, nothing.
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay. Then I read that we have weekly supports,
Okay.
multi-time frame analysis.
Oh. Okay.
A week, the higher the time frame,
Yeah.
better the results you will get.
Exactly.
Okay. So I started doing weekly support and markings, weekly support and resistances.
Okay.
Then daily.
Okay.
And I used to trade that time at 3 minutes.
Okay.
Okay,
Like you
that's-
trade with 3. Okay. Fine.
Huh. That's what I saw in Mitish Patel's search tweet.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
followed it blindly. Nothing else. Support
Okay.
resistance and hit it.
Okay.
Okay.
So like after making that 1.5k loss on the first day and the next day 1000 rupees loss, like how you control your emotions there?
Like, I was net positive, so
Like you made 6 to 7% in the first month.
right.
Okay, and you lost only like 2.5%, right?
Yeah, I lost 3,000 rupees, including charges.
Okay.
I had
3,000.
around 3,000 rupees in my pocket.
Okay, so like you're actually focusing on the net P&L, not
was-
on that day or previous day.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is actually wrong. If you see, for every month you're starting new, right?
Yeah.
Every week is a new week.
Exactly.
You shouldn't like compensate your losses against the profits you have made.
Okay.
You should like keep secure them. That's what I've learned.
But yeah, that's correct. What you're saying is correct. But in my perspective, like you're actually looking in long term perspective.
Yeah.
You're not looking, okay, this day I have to be net positive or the next day I have to be net positive. You're just looking overall and then you're telling, okay, I'm actually 3% up.
Right.
So let's stop and then take a break. Let's go to watch some YouTube videos and learn the stuff. And again, I'll implement it. So after watching the videos, again, you started implementing it.
Right.
Okay. So how was the journey then?
For 3-4 months, I traded 1 lakh capital.
Okay.
And then I increased my capital to 3 lakh rupees. And then I got to know the P&L effects on my mental state.
Okay.
Okay. First, it was 300 rupees negative. It was cool.
Okay.
Then it was 1,200 rupees negative.
Okay.
And losing 1,000 rupees a day is a big amount for me that time.
Okay.
Okay. That's what you have to be careful about. Like when
Okay.
you're increasing your capital, you have to see everything in percentage terms.
Exactly.
I wasn't seeing in percentage term. I was seeing the actual amount.
Okay.
What is it showing? Okay. And see, 7% you can make, no sure.
Yeah. Okay.
But if you want to go in long term, it's better to have less.
Percentage.
Right. Like
Okay.
you have more peace of mind. Okay. By that time, I learned that the first loss I made in the second month was due to gap,
Okay.
overnight gap.
Okay.
That time I learned that gaps do happen, and it can affect your P&L.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, so we cannot carry positions as we
Okay.
want.
So in those 3 months, 3 to 4 months, you are actually trading with 1 lakh capital.
Right.
What was the result after 3 to 4 months? Are you in net positive?
Yeah, net positive.
Net positive.
Net positive.
Like how you actually performed then, like third month or 4th month?
The third, 4th month was not like too good like first month.
Okay.
First month was best month.
Okay.
Okay. Second month was net negative.
Okay.
Okay. Like not negative. how much was it? I have exact amounts. I feel 800 rupees. I was positive.
You are 800 rupees positive.
800 rupees
Okay,
positive. Okay.
fine.
Deducting all the brokerage
Okay.
charges, everything.
Okay.
And that time I wasn't focused on brokerages.
Okay.
We had good platforms also where we can save our brokerage.
Okay.
Okay. So that brokerage was 2000 rupees for me that month.
Oh.
Okay. And third month was also around 1300 positive.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
1300 positive.
13. Okay.
And
Then you started increasing your capital,
Right.
and you made that biggest loss, like 1.5k in a day. And after that, like how you felt?
the 1.5 was in second month, bro.
Oh,
Yeah.
like after increasing the capital, you told like you lost 1.5 thousand in a single
No,
day.
I was seeing the PNL fluctuations of minus 1500.
Oh, you
minus-
haven't booked it.
No,
That's a fluctuation.
Yeah,
Okay.
fluctuation. I wasn't comfortable with the fluctuations.
Okay.
So I stopped my trading. I booked 1200 rupees loss.
Loss. Okay.
I stopped trading. Okay, so this much fluctuation do I have to see?
Oh.
So how will I increase my capital?
Okay.
That was my question to myself.
All right.
Okay, so I started seeing what happens to the options which are far away.
Okay.
I was trading very near to the spot.
Okay.
Okay, so I started to see what happens to far away options.
Okay.
Okay, because they won't get affected by 30 points or 40 points.
Exactly.
Okay, and that was the around. I calculated, if I make 20 points of Nifty,
Okay.
I would make 1% in a week.
Okay.
So I just need 10 points
10
of
points.
Nifty, and I
Okay.
make 0.5%.
Okay.
That amounts to 2%
Okay.
a month. Okay, so I used to choose 10 points of 10 rupees premium. I
Okay.
used to sell that. And that time the VIX was good.
Okay.
1820 was the VIX. So the premium I used to get 600 points, 3%, 4% from market.
Oh.
Away from market, I used to get that premium. So whatever happens in market, I used to get a good amount of money.
Good amount of money.
Like if I hold it for overnight, I used to get 50% DK in a day.
Okay.
So that's how I
Oh, you'll hold it for over a month.
week.
Okay.
Week.
Okay then.
And that time I used to go with one direction.
Okay.
Like now I know if I can sell, call, put both.
You know the straddle strangle strategy and all.
Straddles I never did.
Okay.
I prefer only out of the money only.
Okay.
Okay.
Like you always go with one direction.
I used to go that time only one direction.
By now.
Yeah.
Like what you're doing now?
Now I'm doing both, call, put both. Call, put
Okay,
both.
fine.
Like I know now, the market won't go this much away.
Okay.
When means by seeing, I mark some levels.
Okay.
Like for example, if Nifty is trading at 23,000
Okay.
and my important mark level is 22,800.
Okay.
If it closes below 22,800,
Okay.
I won't sell a put no matter what happens.
Oh.
I won't carry a put. I will book loss immediately.
Oh.
Okay. 22,800 is my important level for me.
If it comes in the money, you'll just book it.
Not in the money.
Okay.
I
At
had
the money.
No, bro. If the level is breached, not options level. If Nifty breaches 22,800,
Oh, okay.
I
Okay.
won't
You're just
take
marking the like
levels.
emotional level. Like, I mean,
Not
like
emotional
the
level.
whole numbers will play a lot.
that's a good support. If you check
Yeah,
now,
like even if you check option chain, like
I won't check option chain while marking levels.
oh, okay,
While marking levels, only support and resistance.
okay, fine.
So 22,800 was, if you check now, it is tested. It's a very good support.
Okay,
Okay. So if it breaks,
okay.
means buyers have lost hope.
Okay.
Okay. So I won't take put no matter what.
Oh,
I won't sell a put. I will
Okay.
just go with call or no position.
okay.
If I'm confused now, ki market will take support or not, but it has breached 22,800,
Okay.
I won't take a put.
Like how you're actually staying this much disciplined?
That's with experience, man. Like,
Like you started with 1 lakh,
1
okay,
lakh.
and you're just making like 6 to 7,000. Like you just made 6 to 7,000 in the first month,
right.
and the next month like it was like not overall positive. Like you are in 800 rupees profit. And third month like something like 1,000 like your
1,300.
range is actually like you're actually earning 1,000 to 2,000 rupees or like less than 10,000 rupees,
Right.
okay, and it is actually not sufficient for a person to live with it.
Right.
And the people who are getting into trading, they like actually like we want money, right? So we are actually getting into trading to earn more money. But by seeing these kind of results, like I'm up 1,500 rupees in a month, I'm up 300 rupees, sorry 800 rupees in a month, I'm up 6,000 to 7,000 rupees in a month. So this may trigger your mind that okay, this amount is not sufficient for me. Have you ever felt that?
Yeah, I had like I want to earn at least 10 to 12,000 a month.
Okay, 10 to 12,000 in a month, it's more than enough for you.
In more than enough for me.
Okay. Okay.
That's what I had in my mind.
Okay.
So my father had told me that he will give me 5 lakh rupees.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, so I have to make 2% a month.
Okay. That was your mind. That's the actual reason why you haven't blown your accounts. Because when I started, like, okay, with just 10,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees, I can make 1,000 rupees, 1,500 rupees a day.
Not possible.
Because
Okay.
the institution I joined,
Mm-hmm.
like in their whole Instagram feed, you will see only like college student is making 1,500 rupees a day. Working professional is making 5,000 rupees a day with just 10,000 rupees capital. They'll add this thing now, and I just saw those things and okay, why not we try? Because I was in gaming by that time, and like accidentally it actually banned, PUBG banned, and then like what I have to do, and also like similarly I just want to do something unique, no like so I just surfed and one Instagram ad popped up. Like that's a big story. I've already made a video about it. Okay, so like by seeing those Instagram feeds, like making 1,000 rupees a day with just 20,000 rupees capital, okay, we can make it now. Like, it's big amount now. So then the thing is like they were doing option buying. So option buying is quite risky, and we don't know about the DK part and all. The first trade I executed, like I was just seeing a price, and I clicked on the buy option, and it executed at some other price. Okay, like why? Like I don't even understand like what it is. Like I just executed at this price. Why it executed at somewhat lower price? So I wasn't actually lost. So like what it is, then I came to know about what option buying is. You can actually trade option buying, but you have to be at least 5 to 10 times skilled than an option seller.
Right.
Because DK is our enemy.
Right.
Then with 50,000 rupees capital or 1 lakh rupee capital, like with 50,000 rupees capital, my aim was like to make 3,000 rupees a day. Okay, I have to make 3,000 per day. I have to make 3,000 rupees, and in month I have to make 60,000 rupees. 20 trading days, so 30 into 2,000, 60,000 rupees. That was the actual reason why I blown my account. I was making like 3,000 rupees a day, 3,000 rupees a day, 3,000 rupees a day, even 5,000 rupees a day. And after fifth day, I'll be losing like 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees in a single day. I've blown multiple accounts. Even I scaled, like I've told you, like even I've scaled from 1.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs.
Right.
And within a month I scaled 1.5 lakhs to 6 lakhs. And in the next 3 months I lost it completely blown. So like when I was making these losses, like I'll just go to YouTube and everyone will be saying like, don't jump into new strategies, follow risk management, follow your plan, be disciplined. These are the 4 simple steps, but these are the 4 hardest steps to follow in trading. Okay, fine. So then you increased your capital to like 5 lakhs.
Yeah, with 3 lakhs, I traded again with 3 to 4 months.
Again 3 to 4 months, and your like result was actually quite impressive.
Quite good. Like I made 2% only, 2 to 3% only per month. Okay. And by that time, I had learned risk management, as you're saying. Okay. That time levels used to work.
Okay.
This market has changed, but that time, if you follow the levels now, you will get good amount of money. Okay. So I followed levels only. I marked support resistance, only horizontal lines.
Only if it breaks or if it takes support from those levels or resistance from those levels, you'll go into the trade.
Right.
Or else no. No trades.
No trades. No trend lines. Nothing. No indicators also.
No indicators also. Only horizontal. That's the only reason for this podcast. So then you started increasing on your capital. Now, like you are managing crores. How you feel? Like you are having a big account now and you're having crores in your funds and you're taking big lots. How is your emotions now?
I'm feeling quite responsible. I'm grateful also, man. God's grace.
So how was your actual journey into trading? Like your learning curve, is it smooth or you went into breakdown, like a mental breakdown, something like that?
Not mental breakdown, but yeah, I had my share of losses and I made huge mistakes, like some silly mistakes I have made. And
could you just share if you want?
Yeah, sure. That's why you should trade. You were saying that practice is important. you are different, I am different.
Yeah, exactly.
Some mistakes I will make which you won't make, and it is silly for you.
Yeah.
Like I had sold call instead of put. I didn't realize. And when I saw negative, I was like, oh, what has happened? The market was going in my direction only. Still, I was facing loss. I was like, what has happened? And that the thing I have made.
Even I told you the same mistake I made. Like I was taking session and I'm just sawing chart there is a screen in front of me and the chart is running and the market is too good. So like I was having my iPad and then taking sessions and I was placing my phone there with the order. Okay, so like that, I mean order screen like in brokerage. So I was about to place order but I haven't pressed any buttons. Okay, so like when I was taking session I just moved the phone to the left side. When I was moving, accidentally I pressed sell button. The market was too bullish.
Oh.
I accidentally pressed sell button and the lot is also very huge, very very huge. And within seconds I lost I've blown the account. And also one more thing, one more mistake I did is I haven't checked news. I was trading account around I was in a trade by 11 p.m. like midnight, and the trade is actually pretty good. So now the time is around 11:45 or 11:50 p.m. If you there is a website called Forex Factory and you can check all the high impact news, everything. So I was just checking every day, I'll check news whether there is high impact news or not, because if I want to get into trade I have to check whether news is there or not. If there is a news, for example, let's say if I'm taking trade at 5:50 p.m. and if there is a high impact news by 6 p.m, there are high chances that I might blow my account. So when I was checking the news, there is no news at all. There is no high impact news, nothing. So I was quite confident and the trade is going pretty good. But the thing is there is a news at 12 a.m. 12 a.m. FOMC news. Okay, I was just sitting and then watching my P&L running in positive, everything. By 12 a.m. there was a huge candle. Very huge. FOMC is a very big news.
Right.
There was a huge big candle in my opposite direction. So that's it. Account blown within seconds. So after then, whenever I'm checking news, if I'm in a trade now, I'll check tomorrow's news also. Tomorrow's news, if I'm about to hit any news or not. Then if I'm in a trade, I'll just go with it. Okay, fine. So these are silly mistakes that you made.
Yeah. See, the practice also taught me is when I was selling options, we have the advantage of DK. Right. But when you have an event, RBI event or FOMC event, okay. So what happened was I used to carry till Thursday, expiry day, and Wednesday we used to get a good amount of DK.
Okay.
But this time we had RBI policy on Thursday.
Okay.
I was like, why it is not decaying? Why it is not decaying? Okay, even it is sideways market, I used to get a good amount of decay that time. Okay. So that's how I learned that events can affect your P&L also, and option prices like hell.
Okay. Those events are actually a good positive for option buyers because India VIX will be high, right? If it is around 17 or 18. Then the movement will be good.
Right.
If I'm taking a trade, I'll be getting 50 points within minutes. So that is possible, and you can make huge money with option buying.
Right. Events are positive for you.
Yeah, events are positive for me. Option buyers. There won't be decay. When it comes to events, or if India VIX is about 17 or 18, there won't be decay.
So that's how I learned events are important. So I made a rule.
Okay.
I won't trade on events.
Okay.
And I won't carry positions on events also.
Okay.
Event
so just
days.
Tell me what are the rules that you're following? You're taking trades with the bigger capital.
Right.
So what are all the rules that you follow technically as well as emotionally?
First the rule was events.
Okay. You don't trade events.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't trade events.
Okay.
Stay away. That's what I follow.
Okay.
Okay. Some rules I made regarding capital is that we can't lose much more than 2%
in a trade.
In a day. In a day.
Okay.
Okay. I have made mistakes. Okay. I had lost 3% also.
Okay.
But this is my mistake. I accept that. So you have to decide what amount you're comfortable with.
Okay.
Losing. And you shouldn't lose more than that.
Okay.
Okay, the highest amount which I have lost is in Ukraine-Russia war.
Okay.
It gapped down.
Okay.
And I had to book loss.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
No option in that. So yeah, that time I booked higher loss.
Okay. Now we made a rule that you should not lose 2% in a day.
Right.
Okay. Now how you are sticking with it? See, like for example, let's say if I'm taking a note that I have to follow these rules. I should never trade NFP week. I should not allocate more risk to my account. So I'm just writing the rules, but it's hard to follow. So how you're sticking with the rules that you made?
That 2% was that time actually.
Okay.
Now I'm just sticking with 0.3%.
Oh, now you're taking even more lower risk.
Lower, yeah, I have lowered. With huge capital, I have lowered my risk.
Because like even the small amount gain, like it is more satisfying for you.
Yeah, satisfying for me.
Okay.
So 0.25, 0.3. I have booked 0.6, 0.7 loss also.
Okay.
But that's still in control for me.
Okay.
Due to that, I have never blown any account.
Okay. Like how you are sticking with it?
There is no answer for that. Like you have to stick. I'm looking at like I have to trade forever.
Oh, okay. Longer run.
Yeah.
Long game.
So if I lose all my money today,
okay,
I won't be able to trade tomorrow.
Exactly.
Right. And I'm pretty satisfied with 2.5%.
Okay.
And even if I'm losing 0.25, 0.3.
Okay.
This is what I have thought.
Okay.
Even if I lose 0.7%,
okay,
I can recover easily.
Exactly.
Exactly. I'm going to trade forever now.
Okay.
Not I'm going to stop trading today.
Okay.
So if I have capital,
okay,
if you survive now, you will make good amount of money. Just survive.
Like all you need is a bigger capital. Like if you want to make money, just go with bigger capital and risk very small.
Right,
that will keep you emotionally stable.
You need peace of mind.
Exactly.
If you're taking a trade and you cannot sleep, change your profession.
Alright. So you made a rules and then you're sticking with it. Like only the 2% rule or any other rules?
Now it has changed. 2% is not my rule. And yeah, some rules like I told you levels.
Okay.
Okay. You can. Yeah, last year I learned about trend following, proper trend following.
Okay.
Okay. If the market is going down only, okay, I will avoid taking put positions.
Okay.
Until some important level is breached.
Okay.
Okay, upside.
Okay.
Only then I will take put. Otherwise, I will take no position or I will take call only.
Okay.
And the thing is, fear is always more than greed.
Okay.
So in put side, you always get a good amount of spike.
Okay.
So better to stay away in events during during put positions.
Put position.
Yeah.
All right, fine. Then, like regarding emotional part, like how you are sticking with it, like you said, like I have to stick with the rules that I've made.
Yeah, because I'm playing the long game.
Okay. Other than that, what you'll do will take to keep your mental health strong when it comes to trading.
Nothing specific. Nothing specific.
Like right. You don't do any like meditation or books, like reading books.
No.
Nothing.
Nothing.
You just made a rule and then you're sticking with it.
Actually, I'm trying to stick to it. Sometimes I make mistakes also.
Okay.
But I don't make such mistake that it will blow my account.
Okay.
Max loss, I'm telling you 3%. My max loss.
Maximum loss is 3%. Till now. Okay.
Maximum loss.
So what is your next plan?
Well, I recently started business also.
Okay. I will come to that part. Like regarding trading, like what's your next plan?
Regarding trading, just stick to this.
Stick to this.
Yeah.
Like you're not planning to increase your capital, or you're not going to like try any other markets.
Well, now what you have?
Like prop firms.
Prop firms. Yeah.
So you don't know about prop firms now?
Not at all. Not at all.
I mean, now I told you like there is a way to make money with prop firms.
Right. So I'm going to definitely try that.
Try with like I told you now, like some reliable prop firms. Just go with it. There are many scams that's been there in prop firms. Right. Even I told like how many money I got scammed.
Right.
All right, fine.
I will start small, as you said, with
$5,000. Start with $5,000 and then just practice, because like you're trading options and DK is a plus point. Right. But when it comes to forex market, there is no DK, nothing. It's a directional market. Either you have to go with buy or have to go with sell. And even if you buy, like even if you press both buy and sell buttons, your account will get suspended. So like the thing is like you have to go with the directional market. So just give it a try. And yeah, all right, fine. Regarding trading, these are the questions. And if you want to give advice to like the people who are watching, what advice you will give?
Practice. Practice a lot.
Okay.
Practice a lot. Make mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Okay.
But make such mistake that won't blow your account.
Ah.
Okay. Keep your risk management in check.
Okay.
Okay. Make a get a comfortable amount which you're comfortable to lose.
Exactly.
Okay.
Even though like you started very small, like 1 lakh
1
capital,
lakh.
and like 1 lakh capital for option buying is huge. For option selling, it's very less.
Very less.
Very less. And you're actually like satisfied with the money that you're making, and you're calculating in percentage.
Hmm.
Like even though it is a less amount, like 6 to 7 thousand a month, and 1,500 a month, 800 rupees in a month, and you're not doing any other job, right?
No.
Just sticking with it.
They're sticking with
So
it.
you're not focusing on the money. Instead, you're just focusing on like to build a skill, or to know this game, and
Right,
to
right.
like have a longer run. So this is what your actual mindset is, and that is what that's what actually made you to go with the bigger capital that you're having right now.
Right. Only one advice of playing in the long game will make you a good
Exactly.
trader, I feel.
Like now I'm regretting like why I haven't followed proper risk management by that
Hmm.
time, because I've done many accounts, many accounts. 1 lakh 50,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees. Like I've scaled 7,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees. I've done that, but again I lose that. So like I know what I was doing. Like I know what is wrong.
Hmm.
I know what are the mistakes have to correct, but still I can't able to do. So these are things like now I'm regretting. Okay, like why I haven't done those things by the time itself. So now I'm just thinking, okay, let's go with the longer run. Just focus on percentage, not on amount. This is a thing that I'm just trying to focus today.
So the thing was I was telling that you cannot compensate losses for your profits.
Uh,
So the thing is like if you have made profit, try to secure it.
mm,
It is your capital.
yeah, exactly.
The more time you spend with your capital in the market, you will multiply it.
Exactly.
Okay, so if you make 1 lakh rupee profit, don't be like, okay, I will take random trades. I can lose 50,000. No, no, bro.
Exactly.
No.
So now we completed the trading part. Let's get into your business. Like why you actually started business? Like why you wanted to enter into business?
I like doing things my way.
Okay.
Even if I'm wrong, it is okay for me.
Okay.
Rather than following someone else's right path,
Okay.
I will take my wrong path and change the path.
Like you also like try to start a clothing brand, right?
Right.
All right, fine.
So it's fine with me. And I had read a book, Rich
Okay.
Dad Poor Dad.
Okay.
Okay, and it was written that when you're doing it a professional,
Okay.
if you're a profession, you're self-employed.
Okay.
Independent.
Ah.
And in business, if you automate it,
Money
you-
flows.
it takes efforts.
Yeah,
no
like it
doubt.
takes more time to automate it.
Right.
But once you automated it, like you don't need to go and work every single day. Like money flows, but still like you have to manage your accounts. You have to check whether everything is running smoothly or not. So like there are struggles too, but in order to get into that automation part, it will take more time.
Yes, it
More
will take time, more time.
All right.
And it gives you freedom.
Ah.
I love traveling, bro. I love traveling.
Yeah, exactly.
And trading also gives me the freedom to
Ah.
travel, but still I have to work.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't I haven't taken a leave off from 4 years.
Oh,
Monday to Friday, every day, every single day. Other than events day, I have traded.
Okay. In events day also, like you'll watch the markets.
Right, I will observe
Like
the
even
market.
like you came here, like you plan auto trade since budget is about to come, but
Yeah,
still you watch the whole 6 hours.
Yes. So I sit in front of the market.
Okay,
Right.
you'll just watch
Just
each
watch.
and every single candle.
Hmm.
Actually, that's how you actually learn experience, because
Yeah.
like once you start watching every single candle, like you'll know what is about to happen next. Like you will get that experience, right?
Right.
All right. So like okay, you started business. Like why you chose particularly food and beverage business?
Okay. Well, my brand name is Waffle Tree.
Okay.
Okay. You have good margins in food.
Ah.
Okay. And in Nasik city, what I have started is waffles, and the price of waffles there was around starting with 150 to 200 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. There was no like lower than that. And if
Okay.
someone want to try, just try.
Okay.
He won't try for 200 rupees. Like so we started with 50 rupees only.
Okay.
Okay. And you get good margins
Like
if
you
you
initially had any other ideas, or you just started with Waffle?
just start with waffle.
Just started with like you
I
don't have
love
any other
chocolate.
ideas.
No.
You love chocolates.
Yeah,
Okay,
I love
fine.
chocolate. And
Okay.
who doesn't? I mean.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, that's how I just started.
So you started your waffle business,
Waffle
and like
tree.
it's Waffle Tree, right?
Waffle tree.
Okay, fine. Now you're having how
5
many?
shops.
5 shops.
5 shops.
And you started with one.
Right with one.
Okay, so how you actually implemented from the ideas? Like now you just wanted to start at Waffle. Like how you actually like implemented it?
Okay, so it is in partnership now.
Okay.
Okay. From starting only, it is in partnership. Okay. I'm lucky to have a good partner.
Yeah, I know.
So for start, you need a good location.
Okay.
Okay. And like you will be having some specific areas in Chennai where you know the business would run.
Exactly.
Okay. So that area was College Road in Nasik.
Nasik. Okay, fine.
And fortunately, we
So these
found
are all like your R&Ds.
R&D.
So like you just like the first thing you did is like to find a good location.
Good. It's very important.
Okay.
Okay, location. And when you're starting a business, you need a good response. If you will get demotivated if it doesn't work.
Exactly.
If that thing was going to start and going to grow, it was College Road only.
Okay.
The first place should be College Road.
Okay.
That's what I had in my mind.
Okay.
And fortunately, we got a place.
Okay.
At good rent.
Yeah, we like very less rent, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we got it. And on first day we served 1200 waffles.
Yeah, 1200.
1200
That's
waffles.
quite good numbers, now.
So thanks to people, thanks to our customers. Like
in order to get that much number, you would have marketed in some way, right?
Right.
So what's your marketing strategy, and why marketing is so important in business?
See, when you're starting a business, no one knows.
Yeah, exactly.
Right? And people are like, okay, why would we go there? They
exactly.
need some reason to go there.
Exactly.
So you have to find whatever business you're doing. You have to find some attractive point.
Exactly.
Okay. For me, it was price point.
Exactly.
Okay. So we found a price where we could attract customers.
Okay.
And we made banners, reels, Instagram reels, everything for 4-5 days continuous.
Okay.
And my friends helped a lot.
Okay.
Everyone shared. Like whole Nasik knew Waffle Tree is going to open on 3rd of November.
Okay.
Which
year you started?
2023.
2023. Okay.
So everybody knew.
Okay.
And 3rd of November, Waffle Tree is going to start.
Okay.
And we had DJ.
Okay.
Anchor.
Okay.
So yeah, it costs us around 50,
okay, so many people, like if they want to start a business, you need some investment, right?
You mean
and some people, like they might have some money, or they don't have money, but some people will hesitate to invest initially into marketing. Like for example, let's say if you want to like make 100 banners and all, like it will cost some money, right?
Right.
Some people like let's start small, don't get into marketing part, or don't get into banner part and all. So what they'll do, like they'll hesitate to invest in their own business. So when I started my YouTube channel, like the first thing that came into my mind is to give a quality content.
Correct.
Quality content, no matter what, like even if it costs many rupees and all, like I'll just spend, because it's an investment for me, and I want to get this into longer run.
Right.
Even like when I don't have any idea to start a podcast, and that too in Kashmir. No idea, zero. But that some point like that just came into my mind. Okay, let's have a podcast now. Okay, then I asked you. Then we had with my camera, this camera. Okay, and we used our 2 phones, and some clips are missing. Once I saw the clips, and like some clips are missing. Even though I could have uploaded it, but still I stopped, and then let's do like a professional.
Right.
Then when I ordered mics, arms, everything, jars, like I made a complete setup. So the thing is, like I just want to deliver a quality content. Similarly, if like according to me, if someone is about to start a business, marketing, quality food, according to me, it's more important.
Right.
So how you focused on your business, like the product, the taste, and like you presented like DJ, everything. and you marketed pretty good.
Yeah.
So that's what made you like 12,100 sales, right?
Right.
For like for your waffle tree business.
We had a huge line.
Okay.
And it was a surprise for us also.
Okay.
But yeah, blessed we were. See, like how you told me, it's an investment.
Exactly.
So you have to see it as an investment.
Exactly.
I support lower expenses.
Exactly.
When you're starting a business, keep your expenses as low as you can.
Exactly.
Like we negotiated in rent.
Exactly.
In everything we negotiated.
Okay.
But you shouldn't negotiate in the things which matter. Like you, for quality content is your matter.
Exactly.
Okay, you won't negotiate there.
Exactly.
Okay,
like,
you're living in a rented space.
Exactly.
You will negotiate in that.
Exactly. The thing is, like, see, what are the money that I'm making? I'll invest in the company. 70% will go into the investments. Everything, like for example, this camera, like I bought airbag. Before that, I was having Canon 700D. So I was looking at the camera quality. It's pretty good. Like good lens, a good camera, 1000, like it can shoot up to 1080p. Okay, why not upgrading it to 4K camera? Then I bought this camera. Then this FX3 is okay. Let's see. Like let's check later. Okay, fine. So you started, and that, like, how was your first day? Like you told, like there were so many crowds, and have you slept peacefully that day?
I slept happily.
Okay.
Very happy that day.
Yeah. Okay. So how was your first month?
First month was very good, bro. We got a very good response.
Okay.
Okay, because see, College Road is a place where we have families.
Okay.
We have college students growing there.
Okay.
And the price point was 50 rupees.
Okay.
So everyone could try it. And we were confident in our taste.
Okay.
Okay, so once someone tries it, he's going to come again.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how we got repeated customers. In first month only, we got a good amount.
Like word of mouth is also very important.
Word of mouth. We marketed only first day, bro.
Okay.
We didn't market for next 3 months again.
Exactly.
It was all word of mouth.
Exactly. So once you start providing a quality product or quality service, like you don't need to tell them like just suggest to your friends or not. Like they'll suggest if they like. Right. So like word of mouth is actually a very good marketing tool without investments. Like you don't need to invest anything. If people like something, they'll buy. You don't need to force anyone to buy a product or service. If they really want, if they really find value in a business or service, like they'll just buy. That's what my marketing tool.
Yeah, that's right. That's true, bro.
That's okay. True. So like okay, fine. Like let's say like you started your first shop, and then how you expanded to like few more shops. Like now you're having 5 shops.
Right.
So how you expand to the second shop, and is it like one by one or simultaneously you started 2 to 3 shops?
One by one, bro.
One by one.
And see, you have to maintain relations. Like you told, you have to connect with people.
Okay.
Okay. So we used to talk with people. We have to talk to customers also.
Okay.
And they only suggested us one area.
Okay.
Ashoka Marg.
Okay.
Our good amount of customers used to come from there.
Okay.
And they were like, please come there, please come there, please come there.
Okay.
Okay. So that's how we started going to that area.
Okay.
And we found a good place again over there.
All right.
And we started over there. So that's how we listen to people.
Okay.
You will find a place.
Okay.
And when I was at Ashoka Marg, many people came from Nasik Road.
Okay.
And they were like, we want shop over there. That's how we started, finding places at good areas from where customers used to come.
So the first point is like to find good areas.
Yeah, first location is very important.
Very important.
Very important.
And then the quality of the food.
Right.
These two like will make your business succeed no matter what.
Quality you cannot compromise no matter what.
And pricing, like how you priced your product.
You have to balance between the
expenses as well as your net profit.
Right. Okay. So 50 rupees was a good amount. Now we have increased a little bit. Okay. But 50 rupees was a good amount to start with.
Okay.
We calculated our break even also.
Okay.
And we were confident enough that this many people would at least come.
Okay.
It was more than that.
Okay.
So that's how it happened.
Okay. Now like you started expanding your business, like 1 or 2 shops, like it will be hard to manage it, right? So if you're having 1 shop, like it will be very easy to manage because you're having only 1 shop.
Right.
But you are doing trading as well as you're having many shops now. Like how hard is to manage your shop?
See, when you know your business inside out now, it won't be hard. I feel.
Okay.
like like when we started, every day, every single day, every hour, every 2 hour, we used to provide material.
Okay.
We didn't have the idea how much we have to give, how much stock we should keep.
Okay.
First month, though, like every 2 hours, we were providing material.
Like it's like experience, like trial and error.
Experience only.
So then you know like how your business actually functions.
Right. When you're there now, you will know each and every problem.
Okay.
And you won't get like, oh my god, what to do now? We have faced everything. Like we have faced everything.
Okay.
Some new things might come now also. But yeah, that's how you learn. Like in trading also, you have to practice.
Exactly.
In business, you have to stay there, learn, and remember those points. What you have to do.
Okay.
Like we have started giving a week's material.
Okay.
So if we are not there for a week also, the
your
business would
run smoothly.
Run smoothly. And in future, it might go for a month also.
Okay, fine. So like in order to run a business, you need a system.
Right.
System. Like for example, if someone is about like I don't know about your business, but still, like if someone is about to start a business, they have to come this time and they have to arrange all these things and they have to provide food to they have to make the food, provide food to the customers, and billing part, finance, everything they have to manage. Right. So for that you need to create a system. Because like if you're dependent on someone who know all these things, if they leave the job or like if they leave, like your business will struggle for sure.
Sure.
So you have to create a structure, right?
Structure.
So like the person who is coming, they have to adapt to the structure. Like how you created your system. Like you don't need to reveal your secrets and all. You just say like how you create a like outline.
Okay, so every business will have their own set of material requirements and everything.
Exactly.
Okay. Ours is an important material, which I won't reveal for now.
Okay.
So with that, we can calculate how much revenue we should make.
Okay.
And you get a good idea of when you are at the shop that what's the average, what's selling, what is going, what's the average selling price over here.
Okay.
What people like over here.
Okay.
So by that, and basics of like you gave this much, and this much is remaining.
Okay.
This much should be in your hand, and if it's not there, then it's the problem.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what we follow in every shop. Like
what's their actual procedure every single day? See, you are a owner, like you're not going to the shops every single day.
Right.
Okay, so how you are managing the finance now? Like for example, how many sales have done so far? And how you're taking part in and how you're supplying raw materials.
Okay. Every single day, when the shop opens, they have to, the staff, luckily we have a very good staff.
Okay.
Very, very good staff. Okay. And they have to check in. Okay. On WhatsApp only. And then they have to provide us opening list.
Okay. Like what are things that you're having in the shop?
In the stock.
Okay.
And while going, they have to give a closing list.
Okay.
And they have to mention whatever items are left and how much waffles have been sold that day. Okay. So the sold waffles and the remaining items of closing, we just have to match, and there is a math we have.
Yeah, you're a CA too. Alright.
So we have to match that, and if it's matching, plus minus 5%.
Okay, plus or minus 5%. Like why are you keeping that plus or minus 5%?
Well, see, we are not there.
Okay.
Right. Someday, see, average price we have calculated according to our initial experience.
Okay.
Like we have 17 flavors.
Okay.
So if someday someone chooses the higher premium waffles only, the average price will go higher.
Exactly.
Okay, and someone chooses regular waffles, so the average price will go. But plus minus 5% is like
how you calculate exactly, like how you kept that range. For example, like if I'm starting a business now, like I'll experience it. Like once I experience, like I'll know how to keep a like price range. Once you experience it, like how you kept your price range, like plus or minus 5%, by seeing all the transactions every single day.
Yeah. See, we have ranging from 50 to 250. Okay. But even if you go from regular to premium, it won't cost you high. It will cost you 20 rupees extra only. 10, 20 rupees extra only. So 5% is on whole transaction value. 5% is a good amount. So that's how we calculated.
Alright, fine. So now you created a system. Like Or are you planning to open more shops?
Yeah. Here we are.
All right. Like, have you faced any struggles in your business?
See, when you sort the location part,
Okay.
next part is staff.
Ah,
Finding a good staff matters a lot.
okay.
Okay. Because you are not there every time.
Exactly.
How he speaks to the customer, he's basically representing Waffle Tree.
Okay.
Okay. So you have to tell him every day. Like when you're there, you will teach him.
Okay.
Okay. We have cameras in every shop.
Okay.
So we know what is going on at least over there. Third point was material supply.
Okay.
Okay. First we were like scattered.
Okay.
Something was there, something was there, something was here.
Okay.
But now we have a warehouse also where we stock things.
Oh.
So that's how we sorted this thing.
All right.
Okay. The main struggle was we lost our very good place.
Okay.
Okay. Something happened.
Okay.
And that happened on a CA day, you know.
Okay.
Okay.
CA day means?
There is a CA day. 1st July is celebrated as CA day.
Okay.
And my partner is a doctor.
Okay.
CA day and doctor day is on same day.
Okay.
And that day only we faced that location issue.
Okay.
We had to close our shop from there.
Okay.
And again we have to start looking for the shop.
Like how you managed in that time? Like you are having staff by that time, right?
Right.
And you close that time, like you'll be paying salaries, right?
We paid salaries.
You pay salary. Like how you actually manage that? Like for example, some people like don't be having emergency funds and all.
Mm-hmm.
So like what exactly you did to manage in that crisis?
See, it wasn't staff mistake.
Okay.
So we can't say anything to them, and
Okay.
they were quite loyal to us.
Okay.
We can't like just go away.
Okay.
So we told them to stay with us.
Okay.
And we paid from our own pocket also.
Okay. Then you opened in a different place and
yeah, when we opened a different place and we had to market a lot.
Oh.
Our sales were down 60-70%.
Okay.
Like from everyday sales.
Oh.
Like if we selling 200 waffles, we were selling around 60 waffles only.
Oh.
When we changed our place.
Okay. Then how you overcome this?
But that's what I'm saying. Always keep your expenses low.
Oh.
At least for 2-3 years of your business now, we had very low expenses.
Okay.
We had just rent and salaries.
Okay.
We have good margins on your material. Okay. So if you don't, invest a lot of in College Road, if you take a shop,
okay,
the rent is as high as 60,000, 70,000.
Okay.
So better find a place which gives you around 15,000.
Okay.
20,000. You save a good amount of money.
Like even though like let's say you're choosing a place with lesser rent, but people should come there, right?
Right. That's what you have to.
Then like it's actually difficult, right?
That's
keeping the rent low, and then you have to find a key area to get more.
Find a loophole somewhere.
Oh.
You have to find that's the tricky part.
Okay.
That's the location part.
Okay.
Find something like some people come up with food truck, anything you can come up with.
Okay.
Like it's your
fine.
choice.
So now you scaled up to 5 5 shops. Now if you want to start any other business, like apart from food and beverage business, let's say you're starting a new business. Now you have an experience that like you're maintaining 5 shops now. Now you have so much experience. So if you're opening a new business, completely a new field, like these mistakes I won't do. That I've done in the previous, that you have done in your previous business.
Yeah, supplying of material.
Okay.
We were very clumsy. Scattered.
Okay. Like you're not organized.
Yeah, we didn't organize it. So I will organize if I'm starting a new business again.
Okay.
I will market more. I told you, I didn't market for 6 months again. We didn't market.
Okay.
We started marketing again when we had to change our place.
Okay.
Till then we were like on word of mouth only. That's very good.
Yeah.
That's very good.
Word of mouth is very good marketing.
Still we can market. At least we can spend some amount, allocate some amount for marketing.
Okay.
We made a mistake of location at some place.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. So I will find a good location only again. And not hurry.
Okay.
When you're like booming now, if you feel like anything will work out. Okay. It's a saying ki main Bhagwan hu. It's nothing like that. So choose a place which you know it will work.
Okay.
70% probability, 100% no one knows.
Okay.
And do it. The main part is do it, man. If you don't do it, you won't know.
All right. So the thing is, like, you're running a business and you've almost automated it completely, or
Right,
like
right.
almost automated it. Then why you're doing still trading?
Uh, Trading. Well, because of trading, I'm here.
Okay.
Okay.
So you're not going to stop.
Can't see a near future that I will stop. Why
Okay.
to stop?
So like you're just going to still continue with.
See, I met you.
Uh,
Now I will try prop funds.
uh,
Okay, something new. I
okay.
have never explored that.
Okay. Like, have you ever invested the money that you're making in business into trading?
No,
No.
no.
So.
In fire shop, we have reinvested all the money. All the
Okay.
money have reinvested only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Like, what are the money that you're making? Like, you'll be investing into
For
like.
now, till now, we have reinvested
Okay, fine.
all. Yeah.
Like, you don't spend on liabilities like cars, bikes.
No, not yet.
Like, you're not interested.
Not
You
yet.
told like you're.
I'm
Yeah.
interested, not like that, but not yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Like, that takes so much discipline actually. Like that, I don't know whether I can do this or not. Like, I can do this, I can't do this. Like, if I make so much money, I'll just buy something that will give me a peace of mind.
I love traveling, so yeah, I spend in traveling.
uh
We met in Kashmir, like,
exactly.
so yeah, I spend at what I like, you know. So I'd spend in traveling.
Okay. So if someone is about to start a business, like, not like you are into food and beverage business, so what advice would you give if someone is about to start a food and beverage business?
First of all, do it.
Yeah,
Execute.
yeah, execute. Yeah,
Start, at least start. Somehow start it.
yeah, like even like many times, like will most of the people, like even I'll do, like we'll think to start a business, start a business, start a business, start a business. Like, only if you start it, you'll experience it, then you'll know how it works, what are the mistakes we need to correct.
Right,
So
right.
these things comes only by experience. Even like the same thing applies to trading. Like, trading is actually a mirror of real life.
Life, right, bro.
Like,
So
if you're
true.
disciplined, uh, your trading will run smooth. Like, you'll trade very smooth and you will execute perfect orders, everything. The same applies to business also. Like, if you have created a system and you know what to do, and if you know what you're exactly doing, then that will scale your business for sure. I'm into longer run. Like, I don't want to go into shortcut ways and all. Like, I just want to go into longer run. Like, what are the money that I'm making? Like, I'll just reinvest it.
Right.
I'll reinvest. Like, for you, like you're opening more shops. I'll invest in gadgets.
Camera is your
Yeah,
investment, bro.
exactly.
Camera is
Everything
investment.
is investments to me, and like, I don't regret it. Till now, I'm not regretting any way. Everything, all I'm doing is like to invest in a quality stuff. That's it. That's what matters to me. Okay, so if someone is about to start a food and beverage business, like you told, like what you told, like like a location, right?
In location, yeah.
Yeah,
Find a good location first of all, and talk to people. Like I at least while starting looking for the location, talk to many people over there. That
Okay.
area only.
Oh.
Okay, like how can we set up? Like I was saying, yeah, get a loophole, something like that. So you talk to people, you come to know.
Okay.
Like what are the options you have. You don't leave your place.
Okay.
I wanted there, I wanted there.
Okay.
Okay, but you find a good alternative way of getting over there or
Okay.
something like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, talk to people. It's okay if they say no.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's-
Listen to them.
Okay, so there are probabilities that your business might fail too.
100% probability.
So how you accepted that risk,
I told you, I like doing things my way.
Yeah.
I'm okay with failing.
even if it fails?
If
But
it
you want to
fails.
do.
If I want to do, I want to do.
Okay, like you will implement it
Yeah,
because you
yeah.
have implemented it, right?
Right.
So yeah, that's how business actually works. Like,
See, I
only
did
if
T-shirt also.
uh,
We didn't put any efforts. We just went through a vendor and we stopped. Nothing
Okay.
else we did.
okay.
So I don't have any regrets that why did I do that? And
So according to you, which business is profitable? Like, when it comes to food and beverage, if we sell this thing, like, for example, let's say if I open a Pani Puri shop, I'll be making more revenue. So according to you, what business might be a low investment and a high returns, or a profitable business?
That is a try, bro.
Trial and error.
Trial and error.
Okay.
Okay. See, you can increase your chances by providing a quality product,
Okay.
giving a good service.
Okay.
That's in your hand.
Okay.
Do things which are in your hand and leave the results. List the results.
And how patient you have to be when it comes to business?
Well, trading will teach you a good amount of patience. Good amount of patience. If you're impatient, it will throw you out of the market.
Okay.
You won't survive if you're impatient.
Okay.
So, in business also same. You have to be patient, a lot patient, and n number of customers will come. They will talk to you some other way.
Okay.
Someone else will something happens.
Okay.
You cannot means pick it out on your customers like that.
Exactly.
Okay, it's a service industry.
Exactly.
For in food and beverages, you have to stay calm, no matter what.
Yeah, people will give you not negative reviews, like they'll give you a constructive criticism, right?
Right.
So like, what you'll do?
We'll listen.
Listen, and then you'll correct it.
Yeah, as our waffle takes 5 to 7 minutes to bake.
Okay.
So you have to wait after giving an order.
Okay.
So suppose you come, you give an order, we start baking it. Okay, it will take 5 minutes.
Okay.
Again, some other person comes, he has to wait for that your waffle baking time plus his 5 minutes to bake.
Okay.
And this was frustrating for our customers.
Okay.
So that's how they complained to us that it's taking a lot of time, more time. Find a way. And we started getting more machines.
Okay.
So now every shop has 2 to 3 machines.
Okay.
Initially we were just giving them one machine.
Okay.
And start.
Okay.
But that took a lot of time, and also we got a good complaints about that.
Now it's running smoothly.
Now it's running smooth. Still, you have to wait for 10 minutes. Okay. There's no option in that because it's baking time only.
I get it.
Okay. So, but yeah, now time has at least reduced by half.
Okay.
If someone was waiting for 25-30 minutes, he will wait for 15 minutes only now.
Okay. Yeah. That's good now.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So like, apart from these things, like, do you have any other plans to like start a business or do something on your own? Yeah. Or do you want to do the same thing?
This I won't stop.
Okay.
This I won't stop. Something new. Let's see next time.
All right. Okay, I think the talk is so good. Okay, so yeah, we can end. And like, do you have any other advice to share?
Like, I'm really thankful to my parents. Really thankful. Like, Papa Dilip Sadhwani and Harsha Sadwani.
Okay.
I'm really grateful to them. I'm sitting here because of them.
Yeah, there is no restriction, right? Like,
you
were just doing what you thought.
They allowed me to do anything I want.
Okay.
Like, I'm really blessed. I did trading. They had to listen a lot because I was doing trading. Okay. Then when I told about this business, they were not like, don't do. It's risky and all. They supported me.
Okay.
Thank God. Like, I'm really blessed in that area.
Yeah, the same applies to me also. Like, even they gave some advice, but still they supported me. Even my parents, like, they supported me in many ways. They supported me. Yeah. It's a blessing too.
Okay. The advice which I will give is trust God and trust yourself.
Okay.
Trust yourself, man.
Yeah.
Trust yourself.
Even the same like, I can't say it plus mantra, but the only thing is, like, if I'm losing, it's my mistake. If I'm winning, it's my efforts. That's what like, always you have to trust yourself.
Trust yourself.
All right. Yeah, this was a nice talk, bro.
Yes.
Let's meet again. If possible, sure. Like, again, if you are coming to Chennai, let's meet.
You have to come to
Nashik. I'll come, like, with my friends. Like, I'll definitely come to Nashik, but in August or September, I'll be there for sure.
I will give you good memories. Like waterfalls, trekking. You love trekking,
right?
I
love trekking.
So we'll go for trekking.
Yeah, I'll come by August or September for sure. Okay. Yeah, see you. Yeah, how was your experience in Chennai?
Chennai, it was a delicious experience. Like, I personally love South Indian food,
Yeah,
and the places you took me, I had amazing food,
yeah,
man.
exactly.
Amazing food. I love idli,
This is the
dosa.
first time you ate in banana leaf, right?
Right. Banana leaf. I have taken a picture of that also.
So,
So the tradition that your friend told me, Satish, right?
yeah,
He
exactly.
told me like you have to close the banana leaf this way.
Yeah,
The
like if
good
you are,
comes to us.
yeah, exactly.
And when you are doing some
In the opposite direction, like the bad goes
bad
away.
goes away.
Yeah, like
So
it's the rich tradition.
yeah, traditions. It's a sweet thing. It's a good thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
And also, like, do you have any ideas to start your business here?
The place is good. People are good.
Like here, the crowd is too high. Like
Too
if
high.
you start, like you need to do R&D,
Right.
but still, like this is a very good place to start your business.
And people are fond of eating outside. I have
Yeah, like
seen.
if you just visit to any parks, I'll just show you. If you do have time, there are many waffle shops near parks,
Okay.
and like not big shops, like a small this much.
Cart.
That's it. Not cart, not big cart, like very small
Oh.
cart. And I've seen interviews also, like the waffle business. They're making in lakhs actually. So if you do have plan, you can just do R&D, and if you're about to start, you can start.
I will definitely let you know, bro.
Sure. Yeah, let me know. And yeah, all right, that's it. Yeah, thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Yeah,
having
thank
me.
you. Thank you for so much for coming. Like even though like we had a podcast in Kashmir itself, you have like busy time coming from all the way from Mumbai to again to Chennai, and then staying with me. It's
A pleasure is
yeah,
all
like
mine,
it's a
bro.
pleasure
All
for
mine.
me.